Good evening, guys. These days I will give a little bit discussions about my topic. So because someone asked me about the importance of animal nutrition and digestion. Our topic for today is the animal nutrition and digestion and why it is important. So in today's society, one can turn the TV or read a newspaper without seeing or reading informations about health issues. What is major factor discussing these issues? Nutrition, along with nutrition, genetics, and environment are all factors that influence your health. Just like in humans, agricultural animals are influenced by these same factors. If animals don't have proper nutrition, their growth rate, reproduction rate, immunity, and well-being are all affected. Just as proper nutrition is vital for your good health, and proper function is just vital for the health and function of agricultural animals. Nutrition is important for a variety of reasons. Animals need the proper nutrition for growth and maintenance, and to provide energy for work and vital function. Maintenance is the nutrition required for an animal to maintain its current weight. Energy is the ability of the body to perform functions. Proper nutrition is also needed to maintain body temperature, produce milk, reproduce, and develop proper bone structures. Without proper nutrition, and animals can develop health problems, which could result in treatment costs or even fatality. So good nutrition is essential for all systems of an animal function to work together properly. Animals that do not receive the proper nutrition are more likely to develop health and reproductive problems and be less productive and marketable. Nutrition is important to have healthy animals, and in turn, healthy animals help ensure profitability in agricultural operations. So producers must understand not only what nutrition an animal needs, but also how to supply that needed nutrition. Producers must know what ration is appropriate for a specific animal and how to provide to balance ration. A ration is the feed an animal receives over a 24-hour period. So a variety of feedstuff or basic ingredients are used in rations, and producers must choose those that best suit their needs. A ration with all nutrients in animal need is a balanced ration. So digestion. So why is it important? So digestion is the process of breaking down foods into simple substances that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and used by the body cells. It is important for producers to understand the digestive process because it helps in selecting the proper feed of animals type of digestive system. So the digestive system is the system in which food is acted upon through physical chewing and chemical stomach acids, means it includes all parts from the mouth to the anus. So understanding the digestive system can help the producer become more efficient in feeding, resulting in a more cost-effective livestock enterprise. So it has also helped the producer have a better understanding of animal health and problems that may occur. So understanding the chemical and physical change that take place after an animal eats is important in noticing health problems related to digestion. So guys, our next topic is all about the basics of physiology. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo. So kung hindi niyo pa ako nakilala, I'm Fizistrada here in the RA official. So I am animal science student. I am 4th year. So tara, matuto tayo, let's study. And I hope magbibigay ako ng mga konting opinion, ideas, and lahat kahit anong topics na all about the science. So it is good for my video is good for high school, for aspiring Filipinos, scientists, animal science, veterinary medicines, for all aspiring agriculture student, entomology, crop science, so animal breeding, animal genetics, so lahat, so and as well as the food scientists, so the aspiring for the future of our economy. So thank you, yun lang guys. So maraming salamat, yun lang. Ingat tayo lahat.